foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's special dish is another healthy soup which is useful for immunity boost, or we can use it as a healthy diet soup. So this is called bottle gourd soup, and as we say, Lauki or dudi soup. So let's check out the ingredients. Let's check out the ingredients for bottle gourd soup. I have taken about half of a bottle gourd. I have peeled the skin and these are the cube size pieces. Taken one tomato, roughly chopped. This is half of an onion, thinly sliced. 2 to 3 garlic cloves, thinly sliced. Half tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of black pepper, half of a green chili, thinly sliced. This is cinnamon stick and 3 cloves, and some lemon juice. We also need 1 tablespoon of oil and some hot water. In a pressure cooker, add the bottle gourd pieces and tomato. Of course, the cinnamon stick and 3 cloves as well, and pinch of salt. I'm going to add some water and pressure cook it for about 10 minutes on 3 whistles. Here you go, I've added about 1 cup of water. Alright, so in about 15-20 minutes I have strained this mixture, and this is the stock, the veggie stock. I'm going to use this for making the soup. So again, one more tip here, that these are the whole spices that we added, cloves and cinnamon stick. So I'm going to just remove it, or if you like the flavor you can also add while you grind the tomato and bottle gourd mixture. I'm going to make a smooth puree of this mixture now, and then we will move on to the next step. Heat up a saucepan, and these are the ingredients that goes in the soup now. And as I've mentioned before, that I'm going to make the puree of the tomato and bottle gourd. So this is that, and then that's the veggie stock. So let's start with adding 1 tablespoon of oil. Okay, so my oil is hot. Let's add onion, green chili, garlic, and these whole spices, cinnamon and cloves. Give that a good mix. We are not going to saute it completely, just make sure that the garlic is not burnt. Just saute it so that we have that little crunch of garlic and onion. This gives beautiful flavor to the soup, so this step you should not, I think, miss. Alright, once you see the onion is translucent, you can simply go ahead and add the puree or the pulp which we made. This is bottle gourd and tomato. Alright, so give that a good mix and add this veggie stock. Alright. Alright, that's a perfect soup consistency for me. You can adjust the water consistency as per your choice. And let's add the flavoring, which is salt and black pepper. Alright. So our soup is done once it's boiled for about 4 minutes or so. So let it boil now. So in about 4 minutes, as you can see, my soup is completely boiled and it's ready to be served. Final touches. So if you like the coriander, you can add it in the soup. I like the flavor of coriander and of course the green color. So I'm adding some chopped coriander. And as you have seen, the lemon, just a slice of lemon. Add the lemon juice as per your liking. Remember that we have tomato in this, so let's not make it too sour unless you really like it sour. So my soup is ready to be served now. There you go. Let's serve the soup. Some crushed black pepper for that beautiful flavor. And here is my coriander for garnishing. Beautiful, isn't it? Here you go. So my bottle gourd soup is completely ready, and serve this with any type of salad or any sandwich if you like, or just have it a bowl full of soup in the winter season or any season. It's very healthy, and as you have seen, I have only used 1 tablespoon of oil. So this is my bottle gourd soup completely ready. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and do try it at home. It's very healthy soup. So enjoy this soup, and I'll see you next time. If you have subscribed, thank you so much, and if you have not subscribed, check out my other recipes and try to subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.